Hi, this is Greg from ASUS ROG, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the ROG STRIX H370-F and H370-I gaming motherboards. These boards are the perfect foundation for an 8th generation Intel system build if you want to take advantage of the features and design of the STRIX series but aren't planning on overclocking. Both of these boards share many of the same features, but of course there are a few key differences. The most notable, of course, is the form factor. The H370i is a mini ITX form factor and would be a great choice for a portable gaming system or a home theater PC. The H370F is a standard ATX form factor and will feel right at home in a mid-tower or full-tower desktop PC. Because of the smaller form factor, the H370i is limited to just 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, whereas the H370F will max out at 64 gigs. They both support memory speeds of up to 2666 MHz and feature OptiMem technology for improved memory stability. Another key difference is the rear I/O layout. The H370F features a PS2 keyboard and mouse combo port, 4 USB 2.0 ports, DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI ports for use with integrated graphics, 3 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports with one Type-C connection, an Intel Gigabit Ethernet port, and our standard audio jacks with an optical output. The H370i features HDMI and DisplayPort, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports with one Type-C connection, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, dual gigabit LAN with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and of course our standard audio jacks with an optical output. Both boards feature a built-in rear I/O shield for hassle-free installation. They both also feature dual M.2 sockets with heat sinks on the one nearest to the GPU to keep your NVMe SSD at optimal operating temperature. The second M.2 on the H370i is on the rear of the board. There are integrated Rgb lighting zones on both boards, and each include an RGB LED header for additional LED accessories, all of which can be controlled through our Aura Sync software. And of course, if you're not a fan of RGB LEDs, you can disable Aura Sync in the BIOS for both boards. Audio is powered by a Supreme FX S1220 8-channel HD audio codec in addition to Sonic Studio 3 and Sonic Radar 3 software suites. If you guys have any additional questions about the ROG STRIX H370 series of gaming motherboards, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.